Good morning, Grzegorz, and today we start turning your engine AM233. All turning good, all compression complete. The front all looks good, as you can see. I didn't see any damages here. This side all looks good as well. No damage, no broken. Pressure looking good, altimeter looking good as well. And the top all looks like so. And the back side all looks good. No damages. This side all looks good. I didn't see any damages here. Turbo is in good condition. Also looks good. Underneath all looks good as well. No damage, no broken. Turning engine AM233. Thank you.